For a lot of working artists, I mean, this is like a matter of putting food on the table. And so, having these resources, this is what artists need right now.
The Crucible has helped support me in a lot of different ways. Most specifically and tangibly today, I got a check from the community fund, which I'm really grateful for. And that allowed me to get groceries today.
And another thing that the Crucible has been supporting me with is getting food from Mandela partners. It means a lot to have healthy food at a time like this.
The Crucible has been very supportive, starting out with helping me sell my artwork. Along with, I've got a little bit of a stimulus from the Crucible, which was really nice to get. And then they also helped me with my studio rent, which I was having trouble kind of making payments and stuff just because financially it's pretty devastating.
In a very tangible way, this is a family and a community, and we want to help and support each other in any way that we can. And I'm very, very happy and proud to be a part of it.
We rehomed a couple of the 3D printers that I was using to teach our 3D modeling classes. They've basically just been running nonstop, making flexible plastic mounts for face shields.
Places like the Crucible really bring people together and foster a sense of community that is really valuable, and we're all kind of seeing how valuable that is in our lives.
I really feel cared for, and I feel like the Crucible is being extremely thoughtful in making sure that we're okay emotionally and physically.
Oh, that support has been everything for me because I was considering what I was going to do kind of going forward as an artist, and
we want you to know that we're not going to stop making things and, trying to give back.
People are singing out their windows, and it's a giant reminder of why we create art in the first place, because it touches people differently than anything else can.